All right, welcome back, students. As we get ready to move online next week, I just want to give you a little tour, I guess, of where you can find everything on Schoology because it's going to look a little different since this is where we have to do everything now. So you're going to see mine from a teacher standpoint, so it's going to look a little different, but I'll show you where everything will be. So when you go to our school homepage or our class homepage, you'll see the agenda is still here. So like here's Monday's agenda. It's been updated. Look a little different though. Notice we still have our learning targets. So like what we're going to do for that day. But notice now instead of an agenda, it's going to tell you where to find all of your stuff so that you know where the different, and at the bottom here, you'll see it says if you need help. So depending on the day, there'll be different ways that you can get in touch. The virtual meeting versus like on Monday, you can see it's going to be through email or a question board. So this will give you a rundown for the day. Then you will see, right now it's not showing, so you can see it's kind of grayed out, but this will be Monday, the online lesson place. So you'll click on this folder and there will be an online, this is your agenda. This is where you're going to want to look for what you need to do on any given day. So I'll just show at the beginning, this will rotate by day, but you can see there will be days when I have office hours. You could just click and it'll open it up to do virtual meetings. You're going to see that some background on how you're turning things in, and I'll show you that. So there'll be a plan for today. So like this is what you would be doing like if we were in class. There will be a homework. So what is it you're exactly what you have to do, and it'll tell you where to turn that in. It's always going to be on Schoology. There will be a link to the No Fear, and then I have made a reading guide for you. So it'd be questions that I would ask in class and quotes that I would direct. Again, if it's highlighted like this, that means it's here. So this is always going to be you need. And again, that's going to be under the online lessons folder. It'll be right here. You will also see some of the things that you're going to, so like here, if you have any questions, if you're like, hey, or whatever it is, you can just post your question here. An assignment, posting it here might be a good idea because there will be online, like I said, virtual meetings that will be explained on Monday when you go through this. If you have work that you want to resubmit, Dropbox here with all of your directions. So this will be open. This also, it says in here. Your ACT papers. So there's Dropboxes with the due dates. The Dropboxes look a little different because notice they have this. That's because we're using a program called Turnitin. And if you need some info on how that works, there's a video right here explaining it. So these will be the first three things you see. They will stay the same through the whole online learning, which right now we're scheduled to come back May 5th is your first day back. So all of April, these will be here for you. Based on the day and what we have to do, you'll see different assignments linked here. Keep in mind that all of those assignments will also always be on your assignment sheet. So like this isn't live yet. You wouldn't be able to see this. But you can see like here's your Act 4 paper. So here, the assignment that you're doing and the directions will be here for you. So just know those will always be there for you. Like I said, you won't be able to go ahead yet. See how these are not visible. To worry about getting too far ahead. You've got a lot to do. Focus just on this. So this is how our Schoology is going to be set up in here. Old things, so things that were assigned previous to us moving online, those will still be in the same old folders. But this is easier for us to know like all your on. If you are not sure, send me an email. I'll tell you where it's housed. I think I got everything posted and ready to go, but always feel free to let me know. Technology works or doesn't work. So if we need to make it flexible on my end. Overwhelming. I'm going to try not to overwhelm you guys with work. So you can see on here, you're reading 2 scenes.